So if you tuned in last season and saw Tea with Shira, Yoga with Shira, you saw this pose, wrist forward and fingers back. So it's a great way to open up the forearms, the shoulders. It's an absolutely delicious pose if you practice it, because at first it can be very intimidating, especially because most of our forearms are very, very tight. So this is step one. We went over some moving in our last episode about moving through the wrist and feeling all the different parts of our hand. And now, if you want to advance this, you can tuck your toes as if you were coming into down dog. You're going to lift your hips up and let your head drop down. And then try to take as many breaths as you can here. Let your eye gaze look towards your quads, and then you'll gently come down, and you'll give yourself some serious lovin'. This feels really nice.